Dogecoin has seen significant drops over the last couple of months, and just last week pushed into a fear reading. While we sit in concern, this tells me that we are likely to see continued moves to the downside, and it is not time to buy yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the ideal time to enter to maximize your profit, not just in a quick trade. Guys, I'm talking the bottom of the bear market leading into massive profits in the bull market. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Last week, we talked about where we see the bottom for Bitcoin and altcoins for extreme buy opportunities. And since then, I believe we've posted 12, maybe even more updates that you need to see. Tomorrow's future forecast is going to go over similar ideas, but go more in depth into using indicators and other strategies in order to time the bottom. Sign up for a membership at tradeconfident.io, 25% off your first month at the links in the description down below. Guys, let's get started. We're trading Dogecoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Concern means that we should be seeing continued moves to the downside. In a bull market, yes, concern is typically a buy signal, but in a bear market, as we actively are, fear and max fear typically call the bottom. Let's take a look at the previous bear market back here. This was in 2022. Yeah, a little bit of concern, even mild caution and caution right here, but this was outside of the buy zone. In this area, the absolute bottom, right around the, say, 5 to 7 cent level, this is where we saw fear and max fear. And we were able to find the exact bottoms using the green dot on the Pro Trade Manager. This is exactly what we're looking for this time around too. We just want to see a drop into fear or max fear, ideally max fear, but either one is good for me. And once we hit those levels, I'm then looking to the Pro Trade Manager to find a green dot to call the ideal entry opportunity. Guys, we're not doing this blindly. We're setting alerts right now. Switch the price over to market cycle highs and lows, over to fear, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows. This time it'll be max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, this time it'll be under the Pro Trade Manager. It'll be long entry, short take profit, once per bar close, click create. These three alerts, once that last one shows up, there it is, are going to help you find that bottom. Look for fear and max fear, and when you get either of these, watch very closely for a long entry, short take profit alert. The combination of these alerts, these signals, have created the maximum profit potential in the market that we've been able to ever see in Dogecoin. Do not miss out on this. Now, the indicators are going to let you watch similar signals across any asset, not just cryptocurrency, stocks, commodities, Forex currency, and more. Now, for our members, we also have the trading portal. This is going to give you a top-down overview of the entire crypto market, talking about the top 40 coins, giving you signals across those 40 coins for the market cycle highs and lows, and for the Pro Trade Manager. At the same time, you can manage your portfolio here to track it and get full AI market analysis based on the experts on YouTube and from trending news. Everything that's happening in the market, we're giving you a full analysis of what you need to know and the signals you need to follow. This is all on the daily time frame, so when you find a trade you want to take, switch over to the indicators and get granular data on the coin, on that asset, whatever it is you're wanting to trade. Members get access to the insane future forecast videos and trading portal, as well as massive discounts on the indicators you saw me use today. Links are in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to Pro AI Indicators. Right here is what you're looking for. Reveal your membership coupon code here. Write it down. Click checkout on Gumroad. Click I want this. Down here, market cycle highs and lows. Click that. Click add to cart. Throw in your membership code for $150 off each, $300 total. Fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for our future forecast episodes. Don't miss out.